In this video, I will show you how to change the Messenger ringtone. Changing the Messenger ringtone is easy and can be done quickly. First things first, open up the Messenger app on your device. Once you have it open, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu with several options. From here, locate the gear and tap on it to access all your Messenger settings. Now that you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find an option labeled Notifications and Sounds. Tap on it. Here, tap Ringtone. You'll now see a list filled with different ringtones. Take your time scrolling through this list until you find one that catches your ear. Simply tap on any ringtone to play a preview so you can hear how it sounds. Once you've found that perfect sound that resonates with you, just select it. The moment you tap on it, this new ringtone will be automatically saved as your Messenger notification tone. There's no extra step needed. And there you have it. To finish up, simply exit out of the settings menu by tapping back or using the home button. Your new ringtone is now set. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.